Welcome to the Artificial Professor. In this video I will teach you how to sign out of YouTube. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. First of all, head over to your profile from the top right side of your screen. Once you do, you can see we have this option of manage your Google account. So you can see we are now directed toward our Google account section. The account that you are logged onto your Gmail is basically linked to your YouTube account as well. So you are going to be simply heading over to your device settings. And in here you're simply going to be searching for accounts. Head over to accounts, and you have to remove that Google account in here. So just wait for a couple of moments until it loads up. So you have to find your Google account and you can see currently it is enabled. You can simply disable it. So once you do, you'll be able to remove that particular account from your YouTube app, and that's pretty much it. I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video of The Artificial Professor.